This video has a suggestion for nudging students who have not been engaging in your subject into action before census date. Census date is the deadline for students to withdraw from a subject without any penalty. Census date is usually the Friday of the fourth week of session, and for the 2018-60 session, this date is Friday the 3rd of August. It's a good idea to make contact with students who are not engaging online or attending class so that you can either offer support to help them continue in your subject or to withdraw from the subject without any penalty. There are a couple of ways of identifying these students. For both ways, you need to log into your Interact2 site. The two options are using either the Retention Centre or Grade Centre, and we'll look at both of these now. I'll be using a test site to show you how to do this. The test site doesn't have much information in it, but it does have all the normal menu items. We need to scroll down this menu down to the bottom. Under Course Management and the Control Panel, you'll see a heading called Evaluation. Click on Evaluation, and this one here says Retention Centre. We'll click on that one. Retention Centre has lots of uses, but for the purpose of this exercise, we're just going to be looking at the Access Alert. There's a red bar there. Click on the red bar and then click on the grey. The grey will show students who haven't been logging in. This is the default setting. The last access is more than 5 days ago, and this number here shows you the number of students who haven't accessed the site within that time frame. If you click on Notify and then on Students, you'll pull up an email where you can send all the students who haven't accessed the site a reminder. All the students will be listed here, but when the email is sent, it will just be sent to the individual and the other names won't show. You can change the subject title there, and then you can add in here a message asking students to contact you, to remind them that they haven't been online or attending class, and if there's a problem to let you know. Any message at all there, but just to urge them into some sort of action, either to contact you to get help to continue or to withdraw. Click on Submit and that message will be sent to all of the students in that list. There are other things that you can add in here to the Retention Centre, but we won't be looking at those just at the moment. I mentioned a second option for identifying students. So if we close Evaluation and we go to Grade Centre and then Full Grade Centre, you will see the third column here shows the date of their last access, and so you'll be able to identify students who haven't been active in this way as well. Please let me know if you need help using the Retention Centre or identifying the students using Grade Centre. Either email me or give me a call.